Okay, so remember our last lesson we were talking about coins?
Yeah.
The US coins, the quarter, the dime, the nickel, and the penny?
Yeah, we talked about all of them. Even we played a matching game.
Yes, we did. So now, today, we're going to keep talking about coins, but we're going to introduce bills, US bills. Do you know what bills are? No? Do you recognize the dollar bill, the $5 bill, $10, $20? Those are bills, right? The money. So they would look something like this. Like this one here. It's a copy of a $1 bill. You've seen this before, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're
Because
gonna
my mom has one of those.
Yes, right?
When she goes to work, she gets dollars and more money.
Yeah, because she works, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna be talking about these, and can you tell me what this would be used for? What is this?
A piggy bank
It is. It's a piggy bank. What is a piggy bank for?
for money.
For money? What's the purpose of it? What is it for? What does it do with the money? Like,
It goes to the bank.
it's like a bank, right? It's where you save your money, right? Whenever you want to buy, let's say, a bicycle and you're saving for it, you can start putting money in the piggy bank
Yeah.
until you reach your goal, and then when you have enough money, you can take it out and go buy your bicycle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a way for you to save money. So we're going to be talking about that, how we use piggy banks, for example, to save money, and we can buy things with it. So now I'm going to show you a YouTube video about talking about money, and so let's take a look at that. Okay, so the video we're going to watch is called The Coin Song, and it is about how coins add up together to make dollars. Okay? So let's take a look.
What?
Here's a penny, it takes so many just to make a dollar. Of all the coins in all the country, just can't get much smaller. A pretty penny made of copper, a penny counts by one. 100 pennies in a dollar.
This counting is so fun.
5 pennies make a nickel counts by 5. 20 nickels in a dollar, and cents a nickel's 5. Counting pennies, counting nickels, that takes too much time. Count by tens and stare at this tiny little dime. To make a dollar with a dime, it only takes just 10. 10 pennies in a dime, count by tens again. 2 nickels in a dime, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 dimes in a dollar, and cents a dime is 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And that's a dollar. Counting by tens. The quarter is my favorite coin. You just need 4 of these to make a dollar, that is all.
I'll take 4 quarters, please.
2 dimes in a nickel to get 25. 4 quarters in a dollar, but one's worth 25. Let's go. 25, 50, 75, 100. And that's a dollar. Counting by 25s.
Okay, so we just watched the video, The Coin Song. What did you think about it?
I think about
What was something you saw in the video?
One nickel is, one penny is $1.
No. 1 penny is how much? How much is 1 penny worth? 1 cent, right? How many pennies does it take to make $1? How many pennies do you need to make $1? How many pennies do you need to make $1?
10.
10? Then that means if you have 10 of those, that means you have how much? 10 what? $10?
10 cents.
10 cents. So you need more because $1 is how much? It's 100 cents. $1 would be the same thing as 100 cents. So how many pennies do you need to make $1?
100.
100, yes. And so in the video we saw that, right? We saw that if we have multiple coins of each kind, it adds up to make $1, right? Okay, so in the last part of the video, did you see where they talked about the quarter? How much is a quarter?
25 cents.
It's 25 cents, right? So how many quarters did the video say it takes to make $1? How many quarters?
4.
4, right? Okay, so talking about that, let's look at some money I have here.
Mine.
No, it's actually the real deal. Okay. Let's look at this and okay, I believe that's it. That's all we're gonna be working with. Okay. Let's take a look at these coins. I want you to look at them and I want you to sort them. Do you know what sort means? It means put them in similar piles. So all the quarters together, all the dimes together, all the nickels, and all the pennies. Go ahead. Put it so where you can see how much you have, like this. What coin is that?
$0.25.
Let me see. Yeah, it's a quarter. So you put them with the quarters. Okay, so now that we have all the coins sorted into similar piles, we have the quarters, let's do this, dimes, nickels, and pennies. I want you to count how much money you have for each pile. Okay, so let's use this sheet of paper to write down how much we have. So we're gonna put our quarters here.
So we got $50.25.
$50? Where'd you get $50 from?
Oh yeah, $1.25.
Yes. So this equals $1.25. Can you write $1.25 there? How would you write that? I'm talking about money here, so how would we write that? Okay, so you wrote $1 and then you wrote 25 cents. But there's another way we can write this together. So when we are talking about the dollar amount of $1 and the cent amount of 25 cents, we rewrite that like this: $1 and 25 cents. So we put our dollar sign here. And what is that called? Have you seen that before? That's a decimal point.
Decimal point.
Yes, so we read this as $1 and 25 cents. Okay, so that's how we will write it. So now let's do our dimes. So we'll move our dimes over here. Now I want you to tell me, how much do you have in dimes? Can you count that for me?
10, 20, 30.
So how much do you have? $30? Or 30 what?
30 and...
What are these called? They're cents.
cents.
So how much do you have?
30 cents.
30 cents. So how do we write 30 cents? Can you show me here? Write it nice and big. Good job. You know what that's called?
Yeah,
What is that called?
a cent sign.
Yes. So when we just have cents and we don't have a dollar yet, we write it like this.
Yeah,
Good job.
and if we don't have one, they'll think it's $1.
Yeah, they'll think it's $30, right? So now
That's a
let's do nickels.
Nickels, then pennies.
Let's try to make space for the pennies as well. Yeah, put the pennies over here. So we have, put them right here. Line them up. Okay, thank you. So now let's do nickels. Can you count how much money you have in nickels?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Got it.
How much?
30.
30. So can you write 30 cents for me?
Okay. 30 cents.
Good job.
See, that's the same as nickels on the
Yeah,
dimes.
yeah, you noticed that, huh? But why do we have more coins, more nickels here, but we have less dimes here, but they're the same amount? You saw that, huh? So we have the same amount, but it takes less coins of nickels to make the same amount for, the same.
I'm recording you now. Okay, ready, set, action.
Okay, so you saw that both of these amounts are the same, 30 cents and 30 cents, right? But there's more nickels here than dimes. So we can have the same amount, but it takes less dimes to make 30 cents, right? It takes less dimes. Okay,
But with dimes, you can count by tens, 10, 20, 30,
so you get there quicker,
30.
huh?
30 cents,
Uh-huh.
and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And 30 cents.
Yeah.
They're the same.
So you counted by fives here, and you counted by...
Tens.
Yes. So that's a bigger number, huh? So we got there quicker. Okay, so let's do pennies.
Penny.
Can you do that one on your own?
Okay.
Point to it and count.
1, 2,
Loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. 7 what? $7?
No.
No. 7 cents. Good job.
But that's little.
That's a small amount, huh?
Yeah. But these are bigger.
Yeah, these are our bigger amounts because we have... Which one's the biggest amount from all of these?
Nickel and a dime.
You think these are the biggest amounts? Well, those are just cents. That's not even $1. We have $1 over here.
Yeah.
What's worth more, $1 or the 30 cents? What's worth more?
$1.
The dollar.
So it's
The quarters,
Yeah.
right? The quarters are the ones that have the most. Good job.